Hello friends, I'm shooting this video with the front camera of Nokia 7 Plus. It comes with 16 megapixel front camera. In this video I'm checking two things. One is the video quality and plus the sound capturing. Right now I'm using this Boyka external mic. Okay, so you can see the difference. In the next half of this video I'll be using the rear camera without this mic, so you can also check the sound quality, what difference it makes when we use this external mic. This mic is from the company Boyka. Okay, it costs around 1300, and Nokia says that Nokia 7 Plus comes with Ozo sound technology, and they use this technology to capture the sound, the surrounding sound. So does it make any difference? So you can judge that. Okay, now I'm using this external mic, and the next half I will do it without this external mic. Okay, so I'm in a room now. Okay, you can see, so still the clarity, everything is really good. Okay, I'm going outside so you can see the exposure. Yeah, still the transition is very smooth. Okay, so I'm not using the rear camera now. Okay, after this I'll be using this rear camera without this external mic, so you can see the difference of the sound capture also. Okay, it looks really good, the quality is really good. Yeah, it looks really natural, I would say. Okay, now let's see the rear view. Okay, so friends, now this part of the video is shot by this rear camera. Okay, you can see the quality here, and I'm not using the external mic here, so you can see the difference of the sound quality. Here is my friend Sachin. He is
Hello, friends.
Yeah, who is
This
also
Sachin Parikh. Good afternoon. It was my passion to buy a Nokia. My first phone was Nokia, and again I bought this Nokia 7 Plus. This is really very good phone, and it has all the features. सब features इसमें कार ZS के optics है, इसमें Ozo sound है जो Hollywood वाले use करते हैं, surround sound effect है, and I really love this phone. I enjoy there are so many features, lots of features are there. अभी 15 दिन हुए परचेस किए, लेकिन इतने सारे फीचर्स है जो मैंने अभी तक एक्सप्लोर नहीं किए हुए हैं. सो स्टिल आई एम इन मिडल ऑफ द exploring this phone.
Yes, okay, thank you.
Thank
then.
you. Yeah.
So you have listened to Sachin, who is also a Nokia lover. Now let's see the difference, how the zooming works. Okay, the focus is really great. Yeah, it doesn't take too much time to refocus. So you can see here.
You want to speak? Today is 15th August, speak some. आऊँ मैं 5 मिनट अभी.
Okay, so now you can see that the picture quality is really good, and now you have to guess whether the Ozo technology has made any difference. You have also listened to one of my friends who is also using this Nokia 7 Plus phone. Okay, and he is in love with it, so he was so excited to tell about it. So you can see that excitement, So I hope you like this samples, and I must say that the video quality, the sound quality is really good, and you must buy it if you are someone who can or who want to actually record videos, and you are a YouTuber, then you must have it. Yeah, thank you. If you like the video, then please hit the subscribe button and help me to reach 1K subscribers. This is what I'm looking for, but I need your help for that, so please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Cheers.